Students, I'm going to walk you through making a copy of the master. This is our peer teaching lesson plan master. You can see up here in the corner. You don't want that on there, so you're going to have to do a few things. Number one, to make a copy, only one partner does this. If both of you do it, it's going to be confusing. It's going to cause a problem. So you decide one partner does this, goes to File, clicks on File, clicks Make a Copy. Once you've made a copy, I would go over and delete Copy Of. So you have Peer Teaching Lesson Plan, and we can make that a capital P also. Take out the master. This is my new copy. I'm Jim C. And my partner is my wife, Denise C. I only need first name, last initial. I'll figure it out. Now, down here it tells you where to save it to. I can go to many different files if I want to. It's up to me. I can go here to My Drive, click on the arrow. It's going to give me all kinds of folders that are in my files. You can see how boring my files are. Workshops, supervision folder for master teacher, and university supervisor. There you go. Just let it go to your drive, and it's going to be your drive. And click OK. You now have the document on your drive. And it's going to load up. You're going to see what it looks like here, and you'll see peer teaching lesson plan, Jim C and Denise C, so we're good there. Now I need to share it, and to share it, I'm going to have to go over to the share button, which is on the top right. We are now down here to step 3, and you go up here to share. I'm going to click on share, and Google has made some changes. Google is always updating at all times. Right now it's private only to me. I'm going to go to the share button. I'm going to look where it says get link. I'm going to go down here, change it to anyone with the link. This will make it so easy. Click on that, and now it's going to say anyone with the link can view. Now I don't want view, I want my partner to be able to edit. So I'm going to go down to edit and click on edit. And when I'm done, before I'm finished, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to share with my partner. And I'm going to share it with Denise Clemenson, my esposa. And click on that, and I will click send. When I click send, she's going to get a copy on her Google site, and she'll be able to edit. I'm going to click send. If she does not have a Google site, she'll still be able to edit. So that's going to go to her, and Denise Clemenson now has the option to edit. A couple important things continue on down here. You made a copy. You saved it with your names on it, you and your partner's names on it. You've gone to the share button, you've clicked share. You've shared it to your partner. You made anyone with the link can edit. So now you both can work on this copy. Now, you're going to need 2 copies. One for lesson plan 1, one for lesson plan 2. So you're going to have to do this twice and do it 2 times to have it done. Now, once you've done that, just read the rest of the directions and follow my lead and what I've written for you on Canvas, and you should be absolutely fine. If you have any questions, send me an email, send me a remind.com, whatever it takes to help you out if you get stuck. Thank you, students.